Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to do a review on the Corona HS 4244 hedge shears. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is my review of the Corona HS 4244. I've had these for about 3 years now. They've proved to be really good, sturdy material. Right here you have steel, and it goes down into this great, comfortable handles. They're made of gel. Right here you have what they call a dual link. Okay, and what this is going to do is when you press in, it's going to pop back out for you. Okay, so every time you push in, it pops it back out, so you don't have to use your shoulders so much. Okay, so it's really just pushing in and making that cut. Okay, so I've had these for about 3 years, and since then I've used, as you can tell, I've used them a lot, and this blade is still really sharp, and it's just a really good tool that I've been using for a long time now, and I use them pretty regularly. Now I will show you what I did use before this. I use these. Okay, Friskers is a pretty good name, especially in garden tools. I think in the last year or two they've come a long way in making things a little bit more sturdier, but this handle kept coming off. It just wasn't made well, and then these would get the stop right here, a little stop in the middle. I mean, the whole thing just started coming apart, and I didn't use them for probably I didn't use them but maybe once or twice, and everything just started breaking apart. So when you pay a good price for a pair of tools, they're going to last. Okay, so these are probably around $40–45, and I think it's worth the money. Okay, I still have a sharp blade, like I said. You don't have as much wear and tear on your shoulders, especially if you have any type of rotator problems. This would be a really good tool to have if you're wanting to get out into the yard and do some maintenance. So just wanted to pass this along. I hope this helps you out, especially if you're looking for a good pair of hedge shears, and I think this is a great buy. Here's one of the shrubs that I trimmed this past weekend, and you can tell right down here where it made such really good cuts, and I trimmed it with this Corona. You can see the nice cuts that it made, and even move down here, you'll see, look how large this branch is. That's probably about a ½ inch there, and it cut it precisely. It did a great job cutting it. So these are really great shears. Like I said, it's a 3-year-old blade, and it's cutting like it's brand new. So like I said, it's made out of good material. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.